You have a fire extinguisher in your house in case there is a fire. Maybe you have a firearm in your house too, in case someone breaks in, threatens you and your loved ones. You get health insurance, dental insurance, car insurance. But what do you have when the economy crashes? Today we will go over what I feel is some of the best assets to own when the economy crashes. Coming up. Hey everyone, welcome to Campbell's Coins. I feel having some form of wealth insurance is something everyone should have in their possession. I have built this channel for the sole purpose of educating people about protecting and building their wealth with gold and silver as a hedge against our debt-fueled, fiat currency-based economy that I am convinced is in severe trouble. Many videos I've done point to specific examples to why I feel our economy is not doing well and has been a zombie economy since the crash of 2008. From out-of-control money printing, to civil unrest within this nation and nations abroad, to highest inflation we have seen in 30 years and everything in between. You might be thinking, I'm over-exaggerating these issues because you're doing just fine. Maybe you have money in the markets. Maybe you have money in crypto or some other investment and they're doing quite well. I would argue nearly every sector is highly overvalued. What is your plan when the floor drops on these overpriced sectors in the market? What is your plan when the price of goods, services, housing, etc. rapidly outpaces your wage earnings? The answer for me is physical gold and physical silver. These precious metals are my insurance for when the economy collapses. You might ask yourself, why not just hold cash? Well, I've discussed numerous times how holding physical cash is detrimental towards your financial well-being. Every single year it is more and more worthless. It buys less and less than the previous year. Gold over time does not act this way. It has purchasing staying power. These are not just great assets to own during an economic crash. They are great for times of high inflation like we are experiencing right now. These are great assets to own outside the system. I can't tell you how important it is to have something outside the system. An asset in which no one else can control and is there for you and your loved ones when you need it. An asset which no one but you know is there in your possession. An asset which you can hide away for that rainy day. If you're the wait and see type of person, I'll pick up this gold and silver once the economy crashes, prices will never be cheaper. Good luck finding anything. If the 2008 crash taught us anything, these metals won't be available for quite some time. And if you can find some, prices will be very high. Why not get it beforehand while the price is low? Buying gold and silver when the economy crashes is like buying fire insurance for your house after it's burnt to the ground. It's great for the next time that it happens. Want to know the best part? If you don't like physical gold and silver that you bought, you can always turn it in for that fake currency they keep printing trillions of every single year. If you're one of those people who don't feel like buying physical gold for whatever reason, whether it's safety or storage, but you still want to own gold, there are other options. Stocks. You can buy GLD on the stock market and trade that as the price increases or decreases. But there is a type of stock I recommend to people over GLD, and that is gold mining stocks, due to their huge potential upsides. One such gold mining stock that I recommend is also the sponsor of this video, Gold Mountain. Now, I am not a financial advisor and you should do your own due diligence when it comes to investing. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I don't recommend just any company or stock tip out there. I deep dive research these companies to see which one would be best for my audience. A little less than a month ago, I did a video on uranium and how owning uranium mining stocks has big upsides. The company I mentioned, Uranium Royalty Corp., was up 14% this month since the posting of my video. Why am I talking about Gold Mountain, a mining stock? Because I like investments with huge upside potentials. Gold Mountain just purchased Elk Gold Project in British Columbia, Canada for $10 million. This works out to $18 per ounce of gold. Projects and deals of this size normally run $150 per ounce of gold. This purchase is huge for Gold Mountain for a number of reasons. The previous owners of Elk Gold did a lot of work getting the mine set up and left a ton of infrastructure behind. Normally, a gold mine takes about 5 years and tens of millions of dollars before mining can even begin. Gold Mountain also received the permits to start mining this month. They are expected commercial production to begin November 2021. This is an incredible feat for a junior mining company to go public to the start of mining production in just 10 months. Less than 1% of mines actually make it to the production step. This is in no small part due to their experienced leadership. Ronald Wu, the president, is a mining engineer with over 20 years experience. Tookie Angus is a strategic advisor who's the chairman of K2 Mining, a stock that is up 800% since 2016. And Quentin Henai is another advisor from Newfound Gold, a stock that is up 600% in the last 10 months. Both these gentlemen provide geological expertise reviewing companies, projects, and activity in the junior mining space. At the time of purchasing Elk Gold Project in August 2020, they estimated about 350,000 ounces of gold left in the mine. Since then, they are seeing proved reserves reaching nearly 800,000 ounces. Not only did they purchase this mine for a low amount, they didn't have the huge overhead getting the mine up and running because most of the infrastructure for the mine was left by the previous company. But also, the gold reserves are double what they anticipated. Want to hear the best part? From what I've read, the total cost for Gold Mountain to mine at Elk Gold Project is $850 an ounce. With spot gold at $1,853 per ounce, that is well over 100% profit. That is an extremely healthy margin for any company, let alone a mining company. They estimate they will pull 65,000 ounces of gold per year, and the mine's life expectancy is about 11 years. I think you can do the math there on the potential valuation. Low overhead with huge potential profits make for a great investment opportunity. If you want to know more information on Gold Mountain, you can find them on YouTube where they show their investors' progression of their work, or check out their website. I want to thank Gold Mountain for sponsoring my video. If you're looking for any additional information on them, you can find it in the description of my video down below. If you're interested in other topics like this one, check out the other videos I have on my channel discussing the rarity of these metals and how they can help you preserve and protect your wealth. If you made it this far in the video, you guys and gals are my super stackers and collectors, and I really do appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.